Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to find remainder in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you need to calculate remainder in your Excel program, so any version of Microsoft Office, you can use this formula. I will show you. Equal sign. Now type MOD and double click on it. Now you have to select number, comma and divisor. So in my case it's number, total marks, comma, and select this obtain mark, press enter. Now drag and drop like this. So this way you can calculate and find remainder in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this method worked for you or not.